Xiaomi Redmi 5, one of the best phone in its price segment, has everything a phone needs. But what about its build quality? Let's find out. Opening the box, we get silicone case, Redmi 5 itself, instruction manual, USB cable and charger. The phone feels premium and compact despite of its 5.7-inch screen, and it's surprisingly thin as well. The phone comes with a 5.7-inch HD Plus display with a resolution of 282 ppi and 18:9 screen aspect ratio. Plastic screen scratches at level 3, tempered glasses at 6 and sapphire at 7. It is protected by 2.5D curved glass, which is definitely more stronger than what we saw in Honor 9 Lite. You can see scratches at level 6 and deeper grooves at level 7. So no need to worry about any day-to-day damages or scratches. The IPS LCD of Redmi 5 lasted less than 10 seconds when in direct contact with a flame. The pixels completely recovered as it is an LCD. If it's AMOLED, expect a burn in your screen. The entire front of the body is covered with 2.5D curved glass, including the 5 megapixel front camera, which protects it from any scratches. The earpiece is made of metal, so no need to worry about it. At back, we have 12 megapixel camera, which is also protected by the same glass in front. The flash cutout is made of plastic. The fingerprint sensor, even with large amount of scratches, works perfectly at all times, so no need to worry about it. The back is made of metal, but both top and bottom end of the phone is made of plastics to allow antenna signals enter through the phone. The side frame is made of metal. At right side we have volume rockers and power key, which is also made by metal. The speaker grill is placed at the bottom and the USB port also. To the left, we have SIM card tray, which is also made of metal. The phone is only 7.7 mm thick, and while bending, the phone literally bends. We can understand, for its price point and thickness, we can't expect anything else rather than this. Redmi Note 5 Pro survived 2 minutes without any problem, but triggered the headphone jack when water entered through it. To our surprise, Redmi 5 survived the 2-minute water test and even didn't trigger the headphone icon in notification bar. Thumbs up for Xiaomi for such a build quality. Even the phone worked properly without any problem or glitches after taking out from the water. This is the part you have been waiting for. Drop test. Xiaomi uses a reinforced corner design to deviate the shocks created when phone is dropped. Let's check out how the phone survives the drop test. Now let's drop the phone sidewards. The phone survives without any cracks or damages to the phone. Now let's drop it straightly. Now let's drop the phone's rear camera facing downwards. Oh boy, a dent. There might be some kind of small stone down which could have caused this. Now the drop of dead. Will it survive? Definitely not. At first, it's just a 2.5D glass. Even the Gorilla Glass didn't survive it, as you guys saw in the Redmi Note 5 Pro video. So use it carefully. The link for giveaway is in the description below. Follow all the links. One lucky winner will get this Redmi 5, which will be fully repaid and will be usable. This giveaway is limited to India only. Thank you for watching. This is Soma leaving for the moment. Peace.